This looks like it's going to be a super exciting lesson because they give us a way to kind of rotate figures around instead of turning your head around or taking your computer and turning it upside down. So for example, they have this letter T and this pentagon, and you can actually like use this little scale and it'll turn it around for you. If you can see the original figure before you get all the way around, then it has rotational symmetry. So this particular figure, we had to go all the way around to before we could see the original figure again, or before it lined up. So this does not have rotational symmetry. This one, it looks like you only have to turn it 1/5 of the way. So 72 degrees, and all of a sudden it's on top of the original figure. So this definitely has rotational symmetry, and it's 72 degrees because it was 1/5 of a turn. And in order to find out the degrees, you just take 360 and divide by 5, and that was the 72-degree angle. So let's try some examples. It'd be cool if it had that little slider thing. Oh, it doesn't. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at and imagine rotating this around. Because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides, and they're all exactly the same, we only have to rotate it 1/8 of the way around. So I'm going to do 360 divided by 8. And that goes in 4 times, 45 times. So the angle of rotation will be 45 degrees. Now this number 4, I can just kind of imagine turning it around, and we're never going to see the number 4 again as it rotates. So this does not have rotational symmetry. Okay, let's try another one. I thought we got to have the slider, but we don't. Okay, this triangle, if you notice, when we rotate it around, we'll get this side will kind of match up with the top. So this one does have, and to figure out what the symmetry is, we have to do 360 and divide it by 3 because that's how many sides it has. And that would be 120 degrees. Now this number 5, I believe that we could turn it upside down and it will still look the same. So upside down is just halfway turned. So we do 360 divided by 2 to get 180. So basically we're just turning it, I don't know what you say, like completely upside down. So it'd be 180 degrees. And that would be the angle of rotation for that one. Now let's go ahead with one more. Okay, this one is just like the triangle where as you rotate it, you're going to see it again when this one gets straight up and down. So we do, again, 360 divided by 3, which was 120. This one, because the angles are different, it's not going to line back up. This right angle is not going to line back up until you get all the way around. So this does not have rotational symmetry. And that's the end of the lesson.